Here's another equation type of question, and a lot of these questions is lots of words, okay? Blah, 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 blah. Ava has twice as many apples as Adam. If she gives 3 of her apples to Adam, they're going to have the same number of apples. How many apples did they have from the start, before she started giving? Okay? So what do we know? We know that, let's say that Ava's number of apples, let's call them E. And let's call Adam's number of apples A. So we know that Ava has twice as many apples as Adam. But we also know that if we took 3 of Ava's apples away and we gave them to Adam, so she would get 3 less, but he would get 3 more. We now have 2 equations, equation 1 and equation 2. And if we have 2 equations and 2 unknowns, it's easy to solve it. So we know that E equals 2A. So let's use the Swedish method here because it's simpler. Wherever we see E, we replace it in the second equation with 2A because E equals 2A. They're the same thing. So here's an E. Let's replace it with 2A. 2 lots of A minus 3 equals A plus 3. Let's move this A over to this side because then we get 2A minus A. So we're doing minus A to both sides. We get 2A minus 3. We're just taking A away from here. Equals A plus 3. This stays the same. And then we're taking away minus A. A minus A here is 0, so those 2 go. So we get that 2A minus A is A. A minus 3 equals 3. So if we took 3 away from A, we'd get 3. So what's A going to equal? Add 3 to both sides. To get A by itself here, we don't want any numbers there. A minus 3 plus 3 equals 3 plus 3. We're adding 3 to both sides of the equations. 3 minus 3 is 0. That one goes. We get that A equals 6. So now we know that Adam had 6 apples. We know that Ava had double what Adam had. Ava has 2 times 6 equals 12 apples. Are we ready? No, we need to do that check. We need to say that, okay, let's take away 3 of Ava's apples. 12 minus 3 would give her 9. And let's add those 3 to what Adam had. 6 plus 3 would give Adam 9. So here's our check on Ava, and here's our check on Adam. And they both have the same number of apples. Yes, our check works. So the nice thing about equations is if you've done it right, your check always works.